drops sliding down the window glass, watching all the city shadows pass. The silence in the room is getting loud. Still searching for your face inside the crowd. I pour another cup and close my eyes, trapped inside this beautiful disguise. And the rhythm keeps on pulling me away from the memories I'm trying to replay. Can you hear the heavy beat